Yo, what's good? This is Bradley from StaggerCrew, and I'm gonna get straight to the point. So I got a project build, which is my truck. It's in Ford F-150, 1993, four-wheel drive, 351 Windsor, 5.8 liter pickup truck. Little background: I bought this truck for $300 from my brother after rolling a car a couple years ago, and I actually didn't care about vehicles, believe it or not. Then somewhere I realized if I wanted to fix it, I had to take matters in my own hands and really dive into learning myself. Along the way, a lot of people said I wouldn't be able to, fix it. I wouldn't get it running. They're just full of doubt. And thankful to myself, finally, taking matters in my own hand, and thankful to all of my friends who helped me. I got it up and running great, proved all of them wrong, and then it became a symbol to represent me because everybody I know knew that I worked on the truck. Everyone I know was like, hey, how's the truck? Or, it just felt really good because the truck was me, and it was like a symbol of myself. So like when I was lost, that was where I would go. You could find me in my truck just sitting there, even after the tragic thing what I'm about to talk about. I was taking my sister to work and a head gasket blew and I had to get it towed. Sadly, I didn't have the money to work on it, so it sat at the bottom of the hill at my mom's house when I lived there. And after moving it, I had to move it to my dad's because she had to move and then I had to move, and I couldn't bring it to where I was moving, so I had to move to my dad's, which was a little bit closer to me, and I couldn't work on it. I didn't have really money and it was just far away, so I didn't have time to work on it. And then eventually I moved where I am today, and luckily just recently I was able to move it with me, and so now we're finally reunited and I'm finally in a position to be able to work on it and bring you guys some content. So I recently pulled the motor, and as you can see, we got a lot of cleaning I need to do to the engine bay and parts to replace. I have about $1,200 in parts just sitting in the truck waiting to be put on, and that's not including what I have to buy. So I want to take you guys along for that ride. I decided to vlog every step of the way, starting now to help you inspire your builds while enjoying to watch my progress and watch me just have fun. I'll be posting at least once a month, but I'm gonna try to for once a week, maybe even once every 2 weeks. Whatever I can get. Right now I have not very good internet, so I'm working on that right now. This channel will take you along for the ride, as well as into a bit of my personal life, even just if it's bullshitting around with friends. All of it centered around the whole StaggerCrew. I want to thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next video where I'll most likely be cleaning the engine bay, possibly undercoating or messing with the motor some more. I'm not sure yet, but stay tuned for that. As always, keep it cool, and by the way, welcome to the StaggerCrew.